So in February 2018, ED unit members began an investigation which resulted in the culmination of some search warrants being executed on the 20th of June 2018. So they did 3 separate search warrants at different residences, 3 separate vehicles, 2 of which had sophisticated hidden compartments inside them. And the net result of these investigations resulted in the drugs behind me being seized, as well as a large quantity of cash. Well, it's fairly significant in that, number one, we're getting the drugs off the street, and more significantly, the 3 firearms that are here are off the street. These firearms were all reported stolen. Well, the hidden compartments, they vary from vehicle to vehicle and group to group. They can be as simple as a small hidden drawer in a vehicle to $50,000, $60,000 changes to a vehicle that are commercially illegally manufactured, which articulate with a series of micro switches and hydraulic pistons to open and close. And so when they're open, they can access the drugs, the cash, or weapons. And when they're closed, they don't look like there's anything there. They hide it very well. It appears to be a fairly well-organized group that are distributing drugs throughout Edmonton. So inside that gas canister behind me was some GHB. It has the moniker of date rape drug. It's used recreationally, more so than as a date rape drug. And it's sold on the street in small quantities. As you can see, it's a bit of everything. There's money to be made in all kinds of drug types. Fentanyl, of course, being probably the biggest money maker for drug traffickers. Well, I think as we all know, drug trafficking is a dangerous operation, and drug traffickers will often arm themselves with weapons in order to protect their cash, their drugs, and themselves. So anytime we can remove these kind of firearms from the street, it makes the city safer.